Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable Memories notifications on Messenger. If you've ever wanted to be reminded of those special photos and moments you've shared, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn on the feature. It's simple, straightforward, and only takes a minute. First, let's start with your phone settings. Go ahead and open up the Settings app on your device. This is where you'll be able to control how all of your apps send you alerts and notifications. Next, scroll through the list until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. From there, look for Messenger. Since that's the app we're focusing on, tap to open its settings. Once you're inside Messenger's settings, you'll notice an option called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can fine-tune every type of alert that Messenger can send you. Now, look for notification categories. Tapping on this will expand the different types of notifications available within Messenger. Each category represents specific alerts, like messages, calls, and memories. Here's the key step. Find the category labeled Memories. If the toggle next to it is off, that means you won't receive reminders about your past memories on Messenger. To turn them on, simply switch the toggle so that it's enabled. And that's it. After you've turned on Memories under the notification categories, Messenger will start sending you alerts whenever a memory from your photos or conversations pops up. It's a great way to revisit old moments with friends and family and to relive highlights that you might have otherwise forgotten about. So just to recap, the steps are: open your phone settings, tap on Apps, find Messenger, go to Notifications, open notification categories, and then toggle on Memories. With these steps in place, you'll never miss out on those little throwbacks again. Thanks for watching.